As a Scrum Master, it's crucial to ensure a smooth and efficient backlog process. So let's jump into the steps you can take to tackle this issue head-on. First one, follow all discussable tickets or finish the meeting. The first step is to examine all the tickets that are ready for discussion. If there aren't enough, consider wrapping up the meeting for the entire team. Remember, our time is valuable, and it's important to focus on items that are ready for estimations and discussions. Second step, set one-to-one with a BO and product owner. Next, schedule a one-to-one meeting with a business analysis or product owner responsible for preparing the backlog. Use this opportunity to understand their challenges and identify reasons why they might be overloaded and unable to dedicate enough time for preparation. Building a strong rapport with your BA or PO is essential for effective collaboration. Third step, discuss problems with the product owner. Now that you have a list of the problems your PO faces, it's time to set up a meeting with the product owner lead. This meeting allows you to have a focused conversation on how you can influence positive changes and address the backlog preparation challenges. Collaboration and open communication are key here. Of course, be sure that the product owner lead is ready to hear you and what you are saying. First one, prepare a comprehensive plan with clear goals involving these essential individuals: the product owner lead, and yourself as a Scrum Master. This plan should outline specific actions to address backlog readiness issues. Be sure to align this plan with a BA or PO to ensure everyone is on board and committed to the improvements. The fifth step, inform the team and promote transparency. During retrospective or other team meetings, take the opportunity to inform your team about these steps and the progress being made to address the backlog readiness. Transparency is crucial to fostering a collaborative environment where everyone feels involved and empowered. Control the resolution of action items. As a Scrum Master, it's essential to take ownership of the resolution of action items and actively monitor their progress. By doing so, you demonstrate your commitment to fixing the backlog process and ensuring its continuous improvement.